Monero, represented by the ticker symbol XMR, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional digital currencies, Monero is built from the ground up to provide true financial privacy through advanced cryptographic technology. The core principle behind Monero is that financial transactions should remain private and confidential, just like cash transactions in the physical world. Monero is a decentralized cryptocurrency that was launched in 2014. It's specifically designed to provide complete transaction privacy and untraceability. Monero is an open-source digital currency that focuses on privacy as its primary feature. The cryptocurrency is built on the CryptoNote protocol architecture, which is fundamentally different from Bitcoin's underlying technology. What makes Monero unique is that privacy is enabled by default for all transactions, not as an optional feature. To understand Monero's value, let's compare it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin transactions are completely public and traceable. Anyone can view Bitcoin addresses and transaction amounts on the blockchain, creating a transparent ledger system. Monero takes the opposite approach. All Monero transactions are completely private by default. The sender, receiver, and transaction amounts are all hidden from public view. This creates a confidential ledger system where financial privacy is preserved for everyone. Monero achieves its privacy through three core technological features. First, ring signatures, which hide the transaction sender's identity. Second, stealth addresses, which protect the receiver's privacy. And third, RingCT, or ring confidential transactions, which conceals the transaction amounts. These three technologies work together to create a comprehensive privacy solution that protects every aspect of a transaction. Ring signatures are a cryptographic technique that mixes your transaction with others, making it impossible to determine the actual sender. Here's how it works. The system groups multiple possible signers together in what's called a ring. Only one person actually signs the transaction, but all participants in the ring appear equally likely to be the signer. This means observers cannot identify the true signer, providing strong sender privacy. Stealth addresses are one-time addresses that are automatically generated for each transaction to protect the receiver's identity. When someone sends you Monero, the sender creates a unique address specifically for that payment. Only you, as the receiver, can detect and spend those funds using your private keys. This prevents anyone from linking multiple transactions to the same recipient, ensuring receiver privacy. RingCT, which stands for Ring Confidential Transactions, is the technology that hides transaction amounts. RingCT encrypts the transaction amounts on the blockchain while still proving that the transaction is valid and that no new coins are being created out of thin air. The system uses cryptographic proofs to verify the validity of transactions without revealing the actual amounts. RingCT completes the privacy triangle, working alongside ring signatures and stealth addresses to provide comprehensive transaction privacy. Let's summarize what we've learned about Monero. First, Monero provides complete financial privacy by default for all users. Second, three technologies work together to achieve this privacy. Ring signatures hide the sender, stealth addresses protect the receiver, and RingCT conceals the transaction amounts. Third, in Monero, the sender, receiver, and amount are all hidden from public view. Finally, this creates true fungibility, meaning every Monero coin is equal and indistinguishable from any other. Privacy is a fundamental right, and Monero is designed to protect that right in the digital financial world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.